the sanctity of human life, namely my own, I would like to invite you to join me to dinner tonight. The both of you. Please, I insist. I would like you to accompany me to Pizza Hut.
Look forward to it. Thank you.
Pizza Hut?
So let me get this right. It's basically Sprockets here, who's now the man in charge, the mayor Gov, who wants to take me to dinner at Pizza Hut. Though Lord knows I wouldn't mind a pizza. He's also one of the guys who built the goddamn cryo.
John Spartan, you are fined 1 credit for
Thanks.
violation.
Dr. Cocteau.